Constancia Lantaho from Pagasa ka mo? Santa Fe. Ato na rapakpakan. I was not please visited ma'am. Kuan nga maabot kami. So we just prepared limala na kuan na ito. Butahan ng certificate ba? Pero sige na lang kaya naman kami. So may na kami pagkahabol. So thank you nga naka-response na mo. I was expecting also an aton Coast Guard. Then ang aton from the fire. Sige. Anyway, ako na lang siguro lahat na here this week. Saan yung session ako siya? Tuesday? So, ako na lang siguro kakad ito this bihol ang aton ibang certificate from our church. See? Okay. So, once we call your name, please stand. Please come to stage.
Bible Baptist Church, Barugo Leyte, present the certificate of salutation for having won the fairly concluded national and local midterm election as municipal councilor last May 12, 2025. Bible Baptist Church of Barugo fully support your endeavor for the betterment of our beloved municipality. We will be praying for you and with you, given this 6th day of July 2025 at Bible Baptist Church during our Salute to the Republic Sunday. This certificate of salutation is given to Honorable Roslyn Albert Baltar, our Municipal Councilor. The same certificate of salutation is given to Honorable Sonia A. Caneda, also our Municipal Councilor. The same certificate is given to Honorable Nikos Ret V. Astorga, Municipal Councilor. Same certificate is given to Honorable Eduardo C. Cazeta, Municipal Council. Same certificate is given to Honorable Felix A. Biloy, Municipal Council. For your dedication and invaluable contribution as part of the prestigious line of men in uniform serving our country, Bible Baptist Church of Barugo fully supports your endeavor to the betterment of our beloved municipality. We will be praying for you and with you, given the 6th day of July 2025 at Bible Baptist Church during our Salute to the Republic Sunday. Certificate of salutation is given to the Barugo Municipal Police Station.
Anyone sympathetic to receive the certificate? So after we give our certificate, we'll give you time to speak. Maybe mga 3 or 2 minutes kung ato mga matagahan. Okay, thank you. Atong narapagpakan. So this time, pag-aala kong try to speak, ano? So, yun ang mauna.